Our brand engagement with a can of Coke is 10 minutes. A brand engagement with Starbucks is maybe a couple of hours. But our brand engagement with an airline is anywhere from 2 hours to 24 hours. Airlines can be remarkable if they think differently about marketing. And with digital and social and mobile, and the fact that travelers are so connected, it is very easy, much easier to become a remarkable airline.
When we think about a future of happier passengers and happier bottom lines, it becomes important to answer the questions of how we will do this. How do we actually do this? The first one is that the airline of the future, whether it's existing today or doesn't exist yet, will be a software company on some level, right? Second one is we will have to be a lifestyle brand. And the last one is a member-focused business.
When airlines specifically think of data management in terms of the data that they're working with, they tend to think of it as outgoing data. What needs to become more critically measured is internal data and the application of incoming data. Incoming data in terms of how the data that you're collecting is actually applied to various departments.
So if we start having a more personal approach to marketing and to communication, we will also have a more personal approach to the stories we tell.
So if I have one message to share, and this is kind of based on a lot of the research that I've done, it's that being a human brand isn't necessarily about having a better marketing campaign. It's not about creating advertising to talk about how amazing your employees are. Those things may help, but at the end of the day, it's about telling the truth and showing your work. And if you can do that, you can move much further towards being a human brand than anything else.
Bring your questions, bring your learnings, and just bring an open mind, because what we got out of today was something I wish we could make last for 5 days. It was a great lab.
All airlines should join this SimpliFlying lab, because it's very interesting where you get all the airlines participate. And not just the airlines like the management team or whatnot, it's the social media team, the digital marketing team.
I think this is a great opportunity again to collaborate with other airlines. It's very rare that I'm at a conference with so many different airlines where we can all talk about what we're doing in our own organizations.